Okay, anybody see the finders keepers? After I see the isolation, see her there with the Rudolfsquare? You sure you bet. I said that criminals said that. What the hell is that nearby anyway to talk about criminals? You and have manipulations you so ought to be exiled up been like a popular opinion. I'm gonna use the use of establishment for experts. I understand this. Playmate, so what are you staring at? Okay, this is totally this too. Entire than acronyms and your kangaroos. Oh my god, there's this fucking kangaroo like what? What's a kangaroo? Yeah, boy, you understand, man. Yeah, man, you're Spain to man. Okay, you're gonna get baby kangaroo. Who? Then I get big cold to seek is fine. Trip hit. Retailers disagree at the right now. Say criminals, yes, the manipulation, like son of isolation. That criminals say quandary. It's quandary, 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 quantity, quality, quandary, 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 quandary. You saw that stall. Can I sing? I'm hungry. You're hungry, so the box here. That's I see there. No, and everything Caesar. That Caesar meant it's either called for the parents of kangaroo. Yeah, don't mess it up, bitch. I gotta write you Saturday. We'll see about that. See about that, Bears? Oh, no, you don't. It's Phil there. Oh, that sucks. I don't know that'll be a accomplishment. I'll mix it up for you. Machines? I don't have no machines, are there? Not my servant, but she doesn't agree to do it. If you shut up yourself. Okay, George. Get sick. Now it's over. Oh, okay, it's over. That's a kangaroo. The pocket this. My chef says, oh, the chef cartoon dad for kangaroo. Oh, and on that. What? You said all the dares. Me too. Yeah, go ahead and accept it. Get on and continue. When then to continue with them. Accept it. My oof. My excel. Whoops. My excel this. You're nice. Something's missing. Color out here that I tried a trampoline. Okay, now if I what's that? You know what's that? I will say you like a chair as a man is. Okay, back to what's up, back to programs, alright? I am programming master and anagrams. You know and anagrams. You know the extent you know standard. Close then stand there. Close up. Close it up. No, you said it close it on my back. It's my back, just shut up, bro. Okay, we promise her. Wait a minute, you got sick. You got birthday till next week. Not birthday till next week, you are? Okay, who is your stuck in there? Why are you scared? Wait over here, shut up and do it. Dinosaur, just do it. Oh, I can do it, okay. Alright, do it, just do it. Oh, well, just do the apple. I'm an apple. Apple? What? No, you said apple, what characters? Some character doesn't spare brains, some brains such as time expanded. Well, you shut up and kill your mind. I can't buy your brains, you don't. Take it. Hey, you know he does it. Oh, she get on it, you're sick. There. Find a way to say. No, I'm curious. So much fun. You made so much fun that this traumatizes all the eggplant machine. Oops, you have to take sample C. Come on. There you go, this is it. Ugh. I mean, it's a lot on a wife. This wife is about you, Rudolfsquare. Yeah, he is about a wife because it says no. This is something smell that's suspicious. If I come white. Why that they don't it, Agnes. Okay, Agnes. What are you, Agnes? Stop saying Agnes. It's falling the tower. Look at it now, you see. You know she said she's SpongeBob Phoenix here. Come on, dinosaur, let's get in a trip. What? You T-Rex, are they? Hey, man, watch where you going. Turn back well. I guess it's a fight. Look. If this is fucking hammer bee honey, guys, or cardinals, they're getting at XAS. Tip. This a tip of farm is 600 to the Hercules. Then less than a grade or so, an infant fish. Don't worry, infant fish. Oh, Toodles. Toodles. What are you, Toodles? Okay, my bad. Second, I'll be Toodles say. Oh, Toodles. Toodles! Why are you so annoying? Aha! Toodles said Toodles. Wait a minute. We're getting seconds to the team. What about says it? Oh, yeah, there, because sort of. Just fighting season. Give me that, my baby. Turn back. So, you turn back what sees behind it, because he's behind mistake. Figure, what's the back side? Get that. Wait, there's no back side. Maybe that's the issues about. Yeah, you need TCD or something. And yeah. I mean, the other go when you were trying to get this. Get out of the way, you big city butt. Look, here you like some Michael Caine or something. It's like, like girls or something, like girls something. You're the target and somebody because you're indispensable. It's time Alex. What's security system on my security? Advisory, you're not accept. Your county stables, you're an advisory. Look at advisory. But bitch. She sat on a bitch hole. What now you do your eye scores? No, that eye scores. I'm such a bad girl. So pretty. It's so pretty actually sure bitch. What? I sure bitch. Okay, well where are you now? Okay, so now yeah, face it up. Sit it up right now. Goddamn it. You need to sing it out there because that freaks out then. Something that's just a brain is missing. I think an idea. I think it as so that's too big. It's said fully. It's disgusting. What am I saying? Scratches, discribious, frillious, idiotic, catastrophe, ideologous, extraneous. You can't even extraneous. Yes, I think that's all. Alright, ours is most information that exist out is not it. Okay, subsistence. What kind is a computer system? You not under to unrest. The caddies and in the flames. Oh, that claims so fast. Well, then it claims so fast. What? That are shoulders. You said on my babies. I want my attitude. No, you get attitude. What? No, it's attitude. Good rids. We got the plain age. Help! Yeah, coming down. It's big. Oh no, you don't use it. Get that last. Get them. Let's get it. Oh, get it. Let's suck. I get it started at the second. Be careful. We'll get him so much fun he had to do. Hey, wait a minute. What? I said what now, SpongeBob? What? I mean this opportunity that they get stringulous and all of the others. The junglers, the on steam the attain the popular. So again, once again, and they said that they're not a flag, it is a not a flag, it is a dust. Why is the letter T like an island? Just like an I got verbal out of finding out the smartest. Because I'm the smartest, you're the smartest. My name's Smarty, actually pretty. Come on, Smart exit, pretty smart. Hey, speed, oh, get a pretty exit. Wow, smoothie. We got a TV apple, right? The TV is short. Maybe it's just push roll. Yeah, you should be. You continue. Big time and no tigers. I know how to get so this. So what the fuck is it? I don't know what to get said in your dick said that. Festivals. He was like, so you again. So in case your pork chop is so bad, so I'd say this. Advisory. Okay. Advisory. I can't answer the advisory to this. Forget it. So make it. So wanna make it. Okay, this is not. Oh. My name is Apple. I'm so wanna make it. Oh, okay, they still to make it. Still to make it. Yeah, you still to make it, so that's. Kangaroo, she's spirit best. What? Oh, name's Kangaroo. Who names kangaroos on this fucker? What's that? Yeah, great until next for the kangaroo parents. My parents did the orders. Can you some? No, I haven't. Thanks, thanks I haven't. Thanks, I haven't now, sucker bitch. It's time for the booty. Precisely. I know you say I did a second, sis. I haven't finished this, Apple. You're a nigga worse, Apple. Since you are the little apple. Sunday of a friend and Mrs. are the son of friends over. What? Ladies and gentlemen, for time without shame, you don't need to. Oh, no, you don't. You take her out of this bag. No, I want my garbage back seat. You take the trip. My trip is very easy because you explained any Argo. Well, the excited first. Kaliman, you saw that the catastrophe. You and about each other. The junglers. Is it here in the jugs and stubbers? There's a Rubber Hansen, the six and that together, so that's dangerous. I'm a sexer. Why did you make sure you so sick? Can I go? Oh no, they didn't send me to dog Jesus. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look. So fucks it's over that. Over fucking goddamn Sue. Over the goddamn Sue. What? SpongeBob, you still you need to run your spot. You had to fight to each other. Some things on that very magic, cause you're very max and not to be dead crab, and it is the watermelon. On the sooner watermelon, it is said it's a hashtag it's unsaid sabotage. Will be dice really? Yes too, me too. But you have to extend on time for this. But scissors extenders. Quadruple. Okay, you quadruple. No I didn't says. A 90-year-old. I need 90-year-old. Okay, it's good, isn't? Encouragingly, you're not against this. No, you're not. Don't encouragingly. You're not the cause expected. I know, sus. You are so arrogant. You're so tired. It's just so this. I get so tired from the time for the exercise. No, man, you excited apples. Wait, he's come out excited. He should come out excited. You play to me. Nah, you excited playing to me. You just playing me excited. I don't need my bad parents. You just said. You know what, SpongeBob? I gotta tell you, that's mighty others, and mighty others still down the counter. So all the Thanksgiving in the sense that we are the extent that's unreasonable, that's unreasonable, that's so that's no pun intended. No pun intended. There is no pun intended. There is a yap there, no pun intended.